Welcome to HeyGen Academy. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert PowerPoint and PDF to video. Let's walk through how it works. Go to the Avatar tab on the HeyGen homepage and click PDF to video. You'll see two options: upload a presentation or generate a new presentation. If you already have a PowerPoint or PDF ready, select upload a presentation and choose your file. Choose your avatar up front, which will appear as a circular overlay in your scenes. You can also replace your file from here. Keep in mind that the maximum size is 50 megabytes. If your file exceeds this limit, you'll see an error message asking you to reduce the file size. Choose your presentation and script settings, then continue into editing. A couple of things to keep in mind: the option to use speaker notes as your script is only available with PPT or PPTX uploads, not PDF. The ability to import slide content as editable elements is also only available with PPT or PPTX uploads, not PDF. Once you're happy with your choices, click Create Video. If you don't have a presentation ready or your existing deck needs a visual refresh, select Generate a Presentation. You can either describe your presentation in a text prompt or upload a document. Supported upload formats are PDF and Docs only. For best results, be specific in your prompt. Include what the presentation is about, who it's for, the tone you want, how detailed it should be, and what outcome you want viewers to leave with. You'll also find example prompts on the screen to help inspire what you can create. Choose a file if you have one. After clicking Continue, select your avatar. Your chosen avatar will appear as a circular overlay in the bottom right corner of every scene. You can always go back and swap your avatar or refine your prompt at any time. Before generating, you'll have several controls to shape your presentation. Choose how text from your uploaded file should be used: generate, condense, or preserve. Decide whether to keep existing images from your file or generate new ones. Choose the number of slides HeyGen should generate. Turn on Generate Script with AI to have HeyGen automatically create narration for your video. Set text density to control how much text appears on each slide. Tailor the presentation for a specific audience. Set the overall tone and delivery style, and choose the output language for your presentation. Once you're happy with your settings, click Continue. HeyGen will take a few minutes to generate your presentation. When it's ready, click Edit in AI Studio. In AI Studio, you can refine and customize everything before exporting. If you used an editable template, you can fully adjust each slide, move or resize text, images, shapes, or graphics, replace backgrounds, edit titles, and adjust formatting. If you selected an image background, you can swap it out for a different one. Each slide has its own script segment that you can edit at any time. Script segment 1 corresponds to slide 1, segment 2 to slide 2, and so on. You can rewrite narration, adjust pacing, fix tone, add pauses, upload or record your own audio, or change the voice entirely. You can swap your avatar at any point. Choose from your custom avatars, pick from hundreds of public avatars, switch avatars mid-project, or adjust avatar placement to suit your layout. And this concludes your introduction to PPT PDF to video. Turn your presentations into professional videos, whether you're starting with an existing deck or generating one from scratch. That's how you can create videos using your PDF or PowerPoint. With HeyGen's PowerPoint and PDF to video converter, you can repurpose your existing slides into engaging videos that deliver your message with impact.